be another cemetery that we found. We're not going to really disclose the name of it at this time, but we did come across some graves where the K2 meter was going off, so we're going to go ahead and turn this on. Anybody here want to speak to us? Made my meter go off. It's a beautiful cemetery. Do we have any spirits with us at all? Can you come talk to us? There's a lot of children buried over here in this little area of the cemetery. So sad. It's something we always hate to see. What's your name?
Right here.
Did you say you're right here? What's your name? Just speak to us through this black box I have in my hand. Okay, well, we'll come back and visit you again sometime, okay? We don't live far from here. Okay, we are at a mausoleum. This is the first time we've ever came to one of these to do some Evp'S. We've walked around here. It's a very beautiful place. There's a lot of couples that are together here, and mostly older people. There are some young people here, but we decided to give it a try and see what happens. So we're gonna go ahead and try to make communications with some people here. Hello there, is there anybody with us right now? What's your names? How many spirits can see us and hear us right now?
In danger.
You're the person in the woods. Wow. Are we in danger? Is that what you said? Should we leave? Can you tell us? Just speak into this black box and tell us, should we leave? Are we in danger? It's a beautiful place. Who's speaking to us right now? Can you tell us your name? What was that? Whoever's talking to us, what is your name, please?
I think it was too late.
Okay, we just came across this historical Indian burial mound. So we had to stop. Haven't seen anything like this in the area at all. I've seen one of these before somewhere else, but not in this area. So we were fascinated, had to stop, and we're going to check it out. We're going to do some EVPs and see if we can speak to some Indians. Check this out. Let's walk around, look at it. This is a mound where I guess there's a bunch of Indians buried here. Doesn't give us much more information other than it's an Indian burial mound right here. We're standing on top of it right now. There's no tombstones, no nothing here. Just a mound of Indians. Wow. This is pretty crazy. Okay, let's see what we get. We're going to try to communicate with some Indians. Hello, are there any Indians here that would like to speak to us? We come across your mound. Ooh. This is fascinating to us. We haven't seen anything like this in the area. Didn't even know this was here. Can you tell me some of your names? What kind of Indians were you? Oh, look, they even have a dream catcher here. How did you guys die? Look at that, it looks like shells growing out of that tree. Is that what that is? Can you speak to us in English language so we can understand you? What are they? Rocks? They're rocks that grew into the tree. That's pretty fascinating. Ooh. Big spider. Right there on that tree. Oh, I thought that was a spider. Never mind. Those rocks grew in with this tree. That is so cool. Wow. There's a few of them. Makes you wonder if the Indians put them here years ago. You know, they might have put them here. Wow, they're over here too. They grew in with the tree. Did you Indians put these rocks here? Maybe so they could climb the tree? I don't know. Does anyone want to speak to us? We come in peace. What kind of Indians were you? Different kinds of Indians. And then there's different tribes, you know, like Cherokee, Sioux Indians, different. What was that? Can you speak English? you guys killed. And again, I'm going to ask you, I don't know if I got an answer, but were you guys all put here at the same time? If I knew how to speak Indian language, I guess I could talk to you in Indian. Okay. Okay, well, we're moving right along. We just left the Indian mound. Not sure if we got anything or not, but we were getting ate up by some bugs, and some cars rode by, and since we were previously told we were in danger by another spirit, we figured we'd better get out of there. Okay, we found a little spot at this cemetery. It's a very huge cemetery, so we've been all over it, but we found a little spot where we can sit. It's a covered area with a lot of people's ashes and things like that put in these little vaults. And we're going to see if we can make communication with anybody here. Let's see here. Are there anybody with us right now? If so, can you speak to us through this box? Can you tell us your name? I see a lot of people here, that's for sure. A lot of people's graves. Who is that just came through so clearly? You're an energy now, and you can use your energy and use our energy if you want to speak to us. Ooh. Maybe he's saying he's buried over by the street, right behind us. Is that what you're saying? How many of your spirits are here right now with us, underneath this shelter? How did you die? The one that was just speaking, how did you die? There was one person's grave that I saw that it said on there, I did it my way. What do you mean by that? Do you know our names? Seems like a lot of spirits do. Gosh, I am itching. Sorry about the movement, y'all. Is there anything else you want to say to us before we go? Can you say goodbye? Can you tell us goodbye? I hope you're resting in peace. We did see a sign here that said Pinto. Was that you? See a sign up there that sounds like the name you gave me. Is that you? It's a nice little sitting area here. Well, we're gonna go now, okay? We'll let you guys rest in peace. We didn't mean to disturb you. Ooh. Somebody just came through loud and clear. We're on our way to our car. If anybody else wants to speak to us, now's the time to do it. I'm standing by the guy's grave now that says I did it my way. What do you mean by that? Did you die doing something that you love? Jeez. It gets so itchy out here, guys. We probably gotta go. Alright, well, it's been nice talking to everybody. Can everybody say goodbye? We'll come back again sometime, okay?